Hi everybody, welcome to BC Original Rehearsal. We're at the Barbara Campbell Television Studio. This is B Live on Air, and this is our BC Original Rehearsal. Thank you for joining us. Today's song, it's a new song, blues, gospel, jazz, and country song written by Barbara Campbell and All Star. And we're coming to you live from Brooklyn, New York, Crown Heights. I'm an independent digital music artist creator, and I'm just so thankful for this platform that you allow me to be on and create. Thank you so much. Let's get started. 1 2 1 2, mic check. Yeah.
Hey Barbara, let me tell you a story Sonny Terry tells. So
BCRC.
guy says to him, listen,
Guitars.
I got a show on Broadway I want you to play with every night. So, oh, okay, I'm very interested. He said, you got to play the same thing every night, the same way. Same thing every night? That's right, the same thing every night, the same way every night. So I can't do that. You got to play it the same way every night, the same way. I can't do that. I don't play the same thing every night. I play the blues. I play it different every night. You got to play the same thing every night. I got to play the same thing every night? That's right, you got to play the same thing every night. I said, well, how much are you going to pay me for that? He told me. I said, I can play the same thing every night. And now you got a little blues, you got a little gospel, you got a little jazz, right?
Oh, yeah. This is our new song. Blue, gospel, jazz, country song.
That's a rock star story. Here we go, everybody. Something new. Recording. Brooklyn, New York, Crown Heights. This is a new recording. BC guitarist.
New recording, new song, everybody. Barbara Campbell and All Star. Recording for Hello Mid-Brooklyn Company. Blues, gospel, jazz and country all cross paths in the southern part of the United States. From New Orleans to the Tennessee, to Georgia, to the Mississippi Delta, the music traveled and migrated and influenced me. Blues, gospel, jazz, and country all influence me. Near Memphis was the cotton rice country. Rice country, where called Park, Elvis Presley, Muddy, and Bob Dylan came from. Talking about the blues, gospel, and country.
Okay. All right, here we go. We're gonna go on the top again.
Blues, gospel, jazz and country. Oh, in the southern part of the United States, USA. Thank you, everybody. That was my new song, blues, gospel, jazz, country song. This is a live recording. Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. My fan supporters, thank you so much. You count, you matter. Stay in Brooklyn, vote, and stay green. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Barbara Campbell from Brooklyn, New York, Crown Heights.